Hey, it's me, Leanne, and welcome to my Body Transformation 101 and my 8 tips for getting fit. So I've decided I'm going to call this series Beach Bodies Are Made in the Winter because that is the fact, right? What we do now is going to affect how we look in the summertime, and we all want to look good in the summertime. Don't lie, I know you do, I know I do. So over the next 8 weeks, we're going to talk about water, planning and journaling, portion control, healthy foods, moving, being good to yourself, which actually does affect your weight loss or their lack of, slowing down, and sleep. But before we do that, what I'd like you to do this week is kind of a prep to get yourself in check and kind of really see where you're at. I'd like you to go get a journal. It can be anything, something fun and sparkly maybe, because what I would like you to do is I would like you to journal your food for a week. And I always have my clients do this because the reality is, until we actually see what we're doing, we can't change it. When I first started trying to get into shape 10 something years ago, I could not lose weight for the life of me, and thought I was doing all the right stuff. I was eating right, I was working out, and the scale wouldn't move. And what I found when I was journaling is that my eating was not quite as clean as I thought it was. So once I was able to see that, I was able to correct it. So I'd like you to try to journal your food for a week. And then the other thing I'd like you to do, I did do this blog once upon a time called Screw the Scale, because honestly, when I was working out and I wasn't losing weight, what was happening is I was losing inches. And that is really the key for me. So I would like you to get a tape measure, and I would like you to measure these areas. I'd like you to measure your neck, and yes, you can lose weight in your neck, your biceps, around your chest, your mid-waist, which is the smallest part of your waist, 2 inches underneath your belly button, or your mid-waist, or your low waist, around your hips, the widest part, right around your butt, your thighs, same thing, right around the widest part, and then your calves. And so once we have all these measurements, you will be ready to rock and roll. We will be able to move forward. You'll be able to see your progress. And yeah, it's all very excited. So I'm glad you're going to join me, and thank you for tuning in. And I will see you next week, and we will discuss the reason that water is so important, how much you need, and what it does for you. All right? Happy New Year, and thanks for coming by.